Hey, today I'm going to tell you about the best email marketing service. After reviewing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that worked 100% for me. I have been making over $20,000 a month using this service and have been using it for 8 years now. It provides a free structure. It has all the wide variety of things that can be found in the most overwhelming ESP meetings. It is a very versatile and highly effective assistant. In this short video, I will show you some very useful features that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the category of email marketing services. It's about Egoi. So you can test the program too. I will leave a link to the official website under the video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Egoi is a market milestone product that integrates multiple channels for its customers. This includes fax, email, voice call announcement, RSS, SMS, MMS, and long-distance interpersonal accounts. In addition, it offers clients an end-to-end stage designed to limit costs and increase the ROI of your demo methodology. Egoi is an easy-to-use and extremely incredible email promotion stage that allows you to send messages containing a wide variety of substances. Email advertising is the best way to connect with your audience. Analysts show that sending out emails generates the greatest income from speculation. Whether you're starting out with an email demo or have been doing it for quite some time now, Egoi has an answer clearly planned for you. Egoi offers a free preview, and its paid customers get advanced showcasing options for highlights including autoresponders, spam channel diagnostics, list segregation by time zone, and a suite of tools to coordinate communication between people. Egoi provides free help and also offers great paid plans with expanding capabilities. It is a monthly, semi-annual, annual, and biennial center of excellence that you can upgrade, scale down, or even scale down at any time. If you opt for an arrangement that costs 6 months to a month, a year, or 2 years from now on, you will be allowed some markdown. There are 4 Egoi design options: Starter, Pro, Corporate, and Pay As You Go. The starter plan is mostly for people which starts at $30 per month. With that, you can get 2,500 and 10,000 contacts for messages. But you can upgrade with different plans. The Egoi Professional plan is the best incentive for people as well as organization. It starts at $66.38 per month and provides 50,000 contacts that you can revisit at any time. For customized plans according to your requirements, contact the team. Egoi is amazingly easy to use and offers various functions to match the shape of the various high points of the line, showcasing master centers. The registration process is definitely straightforward and the interface is simple too, even without any data to use. The product also helps reduce turnaround times for your business activities, giving customers the opportunity to increase their benefits and assumptions. In addition, the product gives organizations the ability to quickly carry out their crusades, quickly transferring promotion efforts. The Egoi email platform is a truly worthwhile stage and offers organizations multi-channel connectivity that delivers reporting and device convenience, accurate single-channel measurements, pooled online resources, mechanized crusade planning, instant brochure layouts, and programmed call announcements. The quintessence of e-promotion is to save time and put your energy into all kinds of things that email demo programs cannot. Egoi encourages you to robotize the way you intercept, send, and split your emails. Egoi has a limitation on sending a brilliant SMS to the endorser. Egoi may also send a pop-up message informing the supporter of the email. Autobots are the zenith of customer relationships. This has to do with merchandising collaboration, whether it is the web business model we just mentioned or your blog visits. It's like this: when you complete the structure of your site, the person leaves some data there. They serve to start and therefore the continuity of activities. If you need your messages to end up in your supporters' inboxes, you need Egoi. Ignore other email ad devices that send messages to the improvement and update tabs. Even worse, some of the email demo programs send messages to the spam box. Egoi follows the highest level reference guidelines that ensure messages delivered to inbox and prevent spam. The Ego email advertising stage gives you some expert email layouts to browse that can't go wrong with Ego email configuration formats. The layouts are prepared and easy to use. You just modify the post the way you want to use a natural, simple editor manager. The best part is that Ego templates are perfect for all email readers, all mobiles and tablets. In addition, geolocation works. Be sure to send a warning inviting a person to enter your store when he passes by. If she's traveling, how about hitting her with visiting advice from the grounds? Remember that the message is received by the lonely person who allows it to be sent. We see the notification and quickly check it. This is now a common thing in our life. To use this to promote your advantage in a hidden container, using notifications is simple. It requires a simple attachment. The push web that rips off your page or web business when viewed has a permeability of around 90%. Ego allows you to understand who opened your email, who clicked on a certain connection, who bought your item, who skipped back, and so on. Ego will assist you in validating your client's actions and every online behavior shown by your client. This will help you choose the best businesses that will improve your deals. Email advertising is all about capturing messages and building on association with your audience. The ready-to-use and efficiently adaptable Ego structures allow you to capture the euphoria of messages. The structure maker forces you to create whatever structures come into your brain. The instinctive Ego A/B testing tools allow you to complete tests and let your friends choose the best one for you. You can run as many A/T tests as you would expect under the circumstances to see the headers, formats, times of day, days of the week, etc. of the email that works best for you. With Ego, you can do limitless split tests. For example, you can make 2 modifications to your mailing list and send them out to 20% of your sponsors. Then, the Ego will naturally email the triumphant representation of the battle to your sponsors remaining hours after the fact. You should know your customers even better than you already know. Continuously monitor the aftermath of your crusade anytime, anywhere. It will help you expand the exhibit of your content, brochure structures, and any crusades you submit. Ego allows you to compose messages in a customized manner as if you were addressing someone, explicitly using their names and subtly. Ego makes it easy to send messages to customers from your online store. For example, when a customer registers or submits a request on your site, Ego will send the customer and you messages about account registration and buy messages. Imagine a scenario in which a customer abandons a shopping cart. Ego will send the customer updated information to help him remember the equivalent. Ego also works with your inert customers by sending them messages about your product and agreements. Ego has brilliant relief solutions and in fact you can find support whenever you need it, day or night. In the event that you have recently received an energetic request, you would always prefer not to call anyone or balance the structure and keep the situation under control for a response. This explanation email is such a handy mechanical assembly to support programming. Ego provides daily email support to light, standard, and basic customers. While email is the main assistive solution offered to everyone, a quick press of the help button at the time of arrival will take you to additional help deciding what the call is. Telephone support is available to all our customers. In case you have no prior knowledge to use any email marketing platform, the tutorials and blogs provided by Ego Top will help you. Moreover, if English is not your first language, you have nothing to worry about because Ego will help you in your language. The new brochure compiler is instinctive and easy to use. It checks for another powerful counter, such as sending combat messages at the beginning. Sent messages are responsive, meaning they adopt the mobile phones and tablets and never end up in the spam box, but end up in the recipient's inbox all the time. Robotization is triggered when you leave the customer's life cycle from catch to closing a deal on autopilot. It's very easy to join Ego. Just enter your name and email address and it's a great idea. This is not a free site at all, so you need to choose any plan at this stage and proceed with your credit card installments. Ego has a significant level of security to protect your data during the exchange procedure. This step requires a bit of additional data related to your physical location, organization name and utilities, site, etc. If you do not have this data, you can also link to your Facebook or Twitter handle. The Ego control panel is bright and very easy to use. Key features are easy to find, and customers new to the e-publishing universe will find MadMimi sending messages and running autoresponder campaigns very quickly. Sending the emails is perfectly clear. Once your email is organized and configured, you will have the option to choose the address to send it to, test your function, and make any late changes. You can design the email to be sent in the future or sent right away. eGOI offers several nice features for whiteboard placement. First, when you do another review, eGOI usually creates a registration structure for it. You can change this and add it to your site, or extend the goals of relational correspondence. Emailing is an amazing activity that delivers exceptional value to the enterprise, delivering many times more results than change through informal communities. With great SMS or smart SMS, you can show your items using images and recordings, and even be able to send the best presentation pages by calling and connecting to the person. In eGOI, you can usually follow the progress by knowing which procedure worked the most. There are many administrations that guarantee the transmission of something specific, but at the same time they just work with an instant message, that is, they do not guarantee that the SMS actually reaches the recipient. eGOI integrates a huge number of online mechanical assemblies to give you the best email publishing experience. For example, eGOI coordinates its work with WordPress, WooCommerce, Magento, Zapier, Facebook Lead Ads, PrestaShop, Shopify, Pipedrive, Capsule, Highrise, Eventbrite, Facebook Instant Articles, Facebook Audiences, Plugga, GetSiteControl, Salesforce, OpenCart, Joomla, Zoho, Dynamics, Instapage, Hotmart, ClickPages, Unbounce, and eDoes. Only Zapier encourages you to include eGOI in over 1,000 apps.